Today, we're diving into a fun, everyday conversation between Alex and Bella. Shopping, cooking, weekend plans, and even a little romance. But stick around till the end, because there's a surprise you won't want to miss. Let's jump in.
Hey, love, this bench feels so good after shopping.
Totally. I'm resting my legs. They're so tired now.
I see that. What do you think of our shopping today?
I love it. We're getting better at this every time.
Yeah, we are. What do you usually buy when you shop?
I get veggies and snacks. What about you, Alex?
I grab the meat and drinks. I'm checking the bags now.
Good idea. I'm looking at these apples. So shiny.
Nice choice. How do you eat them?
I slice them for snacks. What are you making tonight?
I'm thinking of cooking chicken. You like that, right?
Oh, yes. I'm planning to make mashed potatoes.
Perfect combo. I'm imagining dinner already.
Me too. I'm adding butter to the potatoes. Yummy.
I love when you cook. What music do you play?
I play soft jazz. I'm humming a tune right now.
Ha 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 ha. I hear it. I listen to rock in the kitchen.
I'm giggling. You're so cute with your rock vibes.
Thanks, babe. What's the plan for these groceries?
I'm using the chicken for soup tomorrow. You?
I'm saving some for a sandwich. I love sandwiches.
Me too. I make them with cheese. What do you add?
I add lettuce. I'm picturing a big one now.
Sounds tasty. I'm thinking of calling Mom later.
Oh, nice. I call my dad sometimes. What do you say?
I tell her about our day. What about you?
I talk about work. I'm planning to call him tonight.
Cool. I'm inviting my sister over this weekend.
Great idea. What do you do on weekends usually?
I garden a bit. Right now I'm watering the roses.
I see that in my mind. I'm mowing the lawn later.
Teamwork. What do you do after gardening?
I read comics. I'm reading a superhero one now.
Fun. I'm watching dramas. I'm hooked on one.
Which one? We watch stuff together sometimes.
It's a romance. I'm picking a movie for us tonight.
Awesome. I get the snacks. What do you want?
I'm craving popcorn. I'm feeling snacky now.
I'm grabbing chocolate too. I love sweet stuff.
Me too. I'm checking our bags. Did we get sweets?
Yep, we did. I'm thinking we're bad with budgets.
Haha, true. I'm tracking our spending this month.
Good job. I'm saving for a trip. Where do you want?
I'm dreaming of a beach. I'm looking at places now.
A beach sounds perfect. I'm buying new sunglasses.
Nice. I'm getting a hat. I'm planning outfits.
You'll look amazing. I'm starting to jog more.
I walk every morning. I love the fresh air.
We should walk together. What do you bring?
I bring water. What about you?
I carry my phone. I'm playing music while walking.
Cool. I'm thinking of a picnic soon. What do you say?
I'm in. I bring the blanket. What food do you make?
I make pasta salad. I'm choosing ingredients now.
I love that. I'm adding some fruit to the list.
Perfect. I'm imagining us eating by the lake.
That's so romantic. Do you dance at picnics?
Sometimes. I'm swaying to the breeze right now.
I'm joining you in my head. I love dancing with you and
I'm blushing. You're sweet. Do you take photos?
yep, I snap pics. I'm capturing you now in my mind. And
I'm posing. I love our photo collection.
me too. I'm looking at old pics sometimes.
I make albums. I'm sorting them this week. Our first date. I'm smiling thinking about it.
Same here. I'm remembering your laugh that day. Same here. I'm remembering your laugh that day.
Aw, I love you, Alex. What do you talk about now?
I love you too. I talk about our future a lot.
Me too. I'm planning a house with a big kitchen.
I'm dreaming of that too. What else do you want?
I want a dog. I'm picturing it running around.
A dog would be fun. I'm thinking of names already.
Cute. I'm naming it something fluffy. What do you think?
I like Buddy. I'm imagining it chasing a ball.
Adorable. I'm laughing. We're so silly together.
We are. What makes you happy, Bella?
You do. I'm happy sitting here with you now.
I feel the same. I love our little moments.
Me too. I'm holding your hand. Feels nice, right?
So nice. I'm squeezing back. What's next today?
I'm resting here a bit more. What about you?
I'm staying with you. I love this.
Good. I'm loving it too. See you at home, darling.
See you, babe. I love you.
I love you too.